This charming and well-maintained in-unit offers 2 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms in a prime location just a short stroll to South Beach. The condo features modern stainless steel appliances, in-unit laundry, electric storm shutters, and impact glass windows for added peace of mind. Enjoy relaxing or entertaining on the expansive screened lanai, which overlooks a lushly landscaped southern exposure, providing serene views and plenty of natural light. Offered turnkey furnished, this residence also includes a reserved underbuilding parking space and a large private storage room, a rare and valuable combination. The condo fee covers all utilities except electricity, making it an excellent value. Don't miss this exceptional opportunity to own a beautiful, move-in ready beachside retreat.